Hello, in this video we will talk about everything related to pomegranate. I hope you enjoy watching. The pomegranate tree has beautiful red and white flowers that turn into delicious scarlet or reddish-yellow nuts called gulner. The outer skin of this fruit contains hundreds of watery, red or shiny white seeds, and each seed contains a hard or soft core, depending on quality and variety. The pomegranate is a shrub up to 6 meters tall with drooping branches, thorns along the edges and mostly red branches and leaves. And its flowers are bright red and good-looking. The fruit has a spherical and crowned shape, while the skin of the fruit is leathery and the fruit contains numerous red seeds, sometimes white, but mostly bright red in color. The leaves fall off in autumn, so the pomegranate tree is not always green. Pomegranate flowers are called gulner, which is the Arabic word for the Persian word kulner, meaning pomegranate flower. The pomegranate is known as ramman in the language of the Pharaohs and ermine in Coptic. There are several ways to propagate pomegranates, including: first, mine stem. This is the most common method of propagating pomegranate trees, in which these cuttings are taken from pomegranate trees and mature, annual or longer wood, 25 to 30 centimeters long in winter, and then planted in a nursery for a year until they appear. Then transplant seedlings and plant in the orchard. 2. Crabs. In this method, the crabs are separated by the proximity of the pomegranate with a part of the stalk called the heel. Usually the length of the crabs is 60 to 70 centimeters. They are grown in the nursery for a year and then taken to the orchard. 3. Stacking. In the propagation of pomegranate trees, bending is generally used. Then a branch is taken from the tree and buried entirely in the ground while it is attached to the nut and watered with water. Then after a year or two, when it takes root and a number of suitable growths are separated and planted in the nursery or directly in the orchard. 4th, vaccination. Pomegranate trees can be propagated in this way, and bud transplants, paddock transplants, or transplants are commonly used. 5. Seeds. This process is not used on a commercial scale as it is time-consuming and does not produce seeds of the same variety but pomegranate plants differing in maternal characteristics. The application of this method is limited to agronomic research for the production of new pomegranate varieties. One. Packed with nutrients. The tiny pink pips inside the pomegranate, known as the sheaths, are the edible part of the fruit. While they can be a hassle to remove from the inner pulp, their nutritional profile and flavor are worth the investment. Overall, pomegranates are low in calories and fat, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They also contain protein. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect the body's cells from free radical damage. Free radicals are always present in your body, but too many of them can be harmful and contribute to many chronic diseases. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and polyphenolic compounds that protect against this damage. The main antioxidant bioactive compounds in pomegranate are punicalagins, anthocyanins, and hydrolyzable tannins. Getting antioxidants from fruits and vegetables like pomegranates is a great way to improve your overall health and prevent disease. 3. May help stop inflammation. short-term inflammation is the body's normal response to infection and trauma. However, chronic inflammation can be a problem if left untreated and is now prevalent, especially in Western cultures. Left untreated, inflammation can contribute to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Consuming pomegranates may help prevent chronic inflammation, which is associated with an increased risk of chronic disease. This is widely attributed to compounds called punicalagins, which have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties in test tube and animal studies. 4. May have anti-cancer properties. Test tube studies have shown that compounds in pomegranate, juice and oil may help kill cancer cells or slow their spread in the body. Test tube and human studies indicate that pomegranate may help fight inflammation and slow the growth of cancer cells. In fact, the fruit has shown anti-cancer effects against lung, breast, prostate, skin, and colon cancer. Other animal studies have shown that pomegranate helps slow tumor growth in the early stages of liver cancer. It also helps suppress inflammatory responses and oxidative stress. 5. May benefit heart health. Fruits rich in polyphenols, such as pomegranates, have been shown to benefit heart health. Test tube studies have shown that pomegranate extract can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries, lower blood pressure, and help fight atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in the arteries that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. In a human study, people with heart disease were given 1 cup, 220 milliliters, of pomegranate juice daily for 5 days. The juice significantly reduced the frequency and severity of chest pain, as well as some blood biomarkers suggesting a protective effect on heart health. 6. Supporting urinary tract health. Test tube and human studies have shown that pomegranate extract may help reduce kidney stone formation, largely attributed to its antioxidant effects. In one study, adults ages 18 to 70 who developed recurring kidney stones were given 1,000 milligrams of pomegranate extract for 90 days. This has been found to help inhibit the stone formation mechanism in the body.